In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to stream pre-recorded video on YouTube channel using OBS Studio. So first of all, go to your OBS Studio, select a scene, and under sources, click on this plus icon and select media source. Click on browse, and now from your computer, go ahead and select the pre-recorded video or game. Once the video or game added here, make sure to enable loop option and click on OK. And here you can see the pre-recorded video successfully added. Now go ahead and resize your pre-recorded video just like this. And now go to your YouTube and click on create, go live. From your YouTube live stream dashboard, copy the stream key. Go back to your OBS Studio, click on settings, select stream. Surface, select YouTube RTMPS, select use stream key, paste here your YouTube stream key, click on apply and OK. And click on start streaming. Then go back to your YouTube live stream dashboard. And here, as you can see, I've successfully started to stream the pre-recorded video on my YouTube channel using OBS Studio.